Introduction. What is HTML? HTML is a markup language for describing web documents. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a set of mark tags. HTML documents are described by HTML tags. Each HTML tag describes different documents' content. What is doc type HTML in HTML? The doc type declaration defines the document type to be HTML. The doc type declaration helps the browser to display a web page correctly. There are different document types on the web. To display a document correctly, the browser must know both type and version. Both type and version. The doc type declaration is not case sensitive. All cases are acceptable. In this section, I will work on lists, images, tables, text formatting, and etc. At the end of this section, I will work on project, and you will be create a simple sport website with HTML.